Service and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
And that's probably a good thing, or they'd be finding cousins they didn't even know they had. All right, here's your forecast. 7 o'clock, 83 degrees. We'll be looking for partly cloudy skies. Skies, if anything, will be clearing out as we go through the evening, down to the low 70s by the time we get to 11 o'clock. And then tomorrow morning, 69 degrees at 8 o'clock. Sunny skies. Could be a little patchy fog to start the day. And then partly sunny skies, 81 at noon. A little warmer tomorrow afternoon. Should be into the mid and upper 80s for later in the day. Humidity levels up a tad. There is a chance for an evening shower south, but most of that rain has dissipated now. A little patchy fog possible early Tuesday, as I mentioned. Rising rain chances Wednesday through Friday. A slight chance Wednesday afternoon. Increasing chances of rain for Thursday and into Friday. Our high temperatures tomorrow all the way from Toledo down to Cincinnati along I-75. Pretty much around 87 degrees for that high. And the Phillips Company's time lapse in Beaver Creek showing the clouds breaking up a bit, getting back to partly, even a mostly sunny sky out there. And looking at partly cloudy skies on the SVG Chevrolet camera up in Greenville tonight, but those clouds should tend to thin out as we go through the latter part of the evening hours, becoming mostly clear overnight. We're dry tonight through downtown Dayton as we look at Montgomery County. Dry conditions here. Now you'll notice there's a little green on the map. Actually, what that is some cooler air flowing in from some rain-cooled air that's down around Cincinnati. A wind shift to the south, actually bringing in a slight drop in temperatures. We'll show you that in just a moment when we look at the weather check readings here. One isolated shower has popped up in the central part of Miami County. That's it, though. Otherwise, it's dry here. The rain passing south of us tonight, and this is where most of the active weather will stay south of us into southern Indiana, northern Kentucky, extreme southern Ohio. We had a flood advisory out earlier for parts of Warren and Clinton counties. That just expired, and no flood advisories or any warnings in effect now. 84 degrees, our current temperature reading. South wind 6 miles an hour. It feels like 85 degrees out there with that humidity at 51%. There's some of the cooler air. 84 in Bellbrook, reported by Hope Qualky. Even some 70s as you go down into Butler, Warren, and Clinton counties. Up north, 86 in the Bradford area, 87 in Springfield, so a little warmer across our northern counties. Maybe an isolated shower this evening, but really for the most part, we're looking at dry weather tonight into tomorrow. Clouds break up, and then we get back to dry conditions for Tuesday. Rain chances will start to rise a bit on Wednesday. As you watch to the west, you'll start to see a shower, a little complex of active weather start to move in from the northwest, and that will eventually bring us a chance of some rain later in the day on Wednesday. But as I mentioned, they're more likely Thursday and Friday. Tonight, skies will be clearing out. We could see a little bit of late night fog, light variable winds. Our low temperature tonight right around 66 degrees. Now tomorrow, partly sunny. It'll be warm, afternoon high 87. I think we'll even start the day off with a lot of sunshine. Sun up at 6:37, 77 degrees at 10 o'clock in the morning, 81 degrees at noon, and then partly sunny skies into the afternoon, but should remain mostly dry. Slight chances of rain Wednesday afternoon, upper 80s. Then we'll be around 90 for Thursday and Friday. Lows only in the low 70s. A cold front is coming through late Friday and into Friday night. Behind that front, looks like we'll dry out for the weekend, and temperatures cool off. Humidity levels drop a little bit too as we get those highs back into the 80s with the nighttime lows into the 60s. And that's about normal.
So high school football players, or all of us, drink that water and...
Yeah, stay hydrated this week. It's going to be kind of tough out there.